Have you ever wondered if virtual credit cards are as safe and effective as traditional credit cards? In a world where online transactions are becoming the norm, virtual cards are slowly gaining popularity. But with their rise comes many myths and misconceptions. Today, we are diving into the world of virtual credit cards to separate myth from fact. Myth number 1, virtual credit cards are not secure. This is one of the biggest misconceptions. In reality, virtual cards offer enhanced security features. Each virtual card has a unique number that is linked to your actual credit card account but isn't the same. Additionally, many virtual card providers offer features like temporary card numbers and spending limits, which further protect your financial information. Myth 2, virtual cards are hard to use. Some people believe that virtual cards are cumbersome and not user-friendly. In fact, virtual cards are designed to be as easy to use as physical ones. You simply generate a virtual card number from your credit card provider's app or website and use it just like you would a regular card for online purchases. Myth 3, virtual cards can't be used for subscriptions or recurring transactions. Virtual cards can be used for subscriptions and recurring payments, just like traditional cards. Some providers even allow you to create virtual cards with specific expiration dates or usage limits, which is useful for managing subscription services and avoiding unwanted charges. Myth 4, virtual cards have high fee. Most virtual credit card services do not charge extra fee, but it is always a good idea to review the terms and conditions of your virtual card provider to understand any potential costs. Myth 5, virtual cards do not offer any rewards or benefits. Some people think that virtual cards don't offer the same rewards or benefits as physical cards. In reality, most virtual credit cards come with the same perks as their physical counterparts, including cashback, travel rewards, and purchase protection. Myth 6, virtual cards do not offer fraud protection. Well, virtual card providers offer real-time alerts and easy dispute resolution processes to handle any issues quickly. Myth 7, virtual cards are difficult to manage. Most providers offer user-friendly apps and online portals where you can view your transactions, set limits, and generate a new virtual card. In conclusion, virtual credit cards are a powerful tool in today's digital world, and they offer enhanced security, convenience, and flexibility. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and share. And for more personal finance tips, subscribe to our channel.